How to use Hamilton AI News Assistant. Open the app, look for Hamilton AI, and tap it to launch the AI News Assistant. Now, you can ask Hamilton questions about the latest news. For example, type, "What are today's top technology news stories?" and tap Send. Hamilton AI will provide a concise response based on the available New York Post content. You can also ask Hamilton to summarize a specific news story. For example, type, "Summarize this story and give me the most important points." You can continue with follow-up questions to get more information or understand a particular topic in more detail. You can also use Hamilton to explore trending news, sports, NYC culture, and other topics covered by the New York Post. This makes it easier to find and understand the news without manually searching through multiple articles. And that's how to use Hamilton AI News Assistant on your phone. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who might find it useful, and subscribe for more AI and how-to tutorials.